Tuli ku graduation in an institution in East Africa isomesa about labor issues.
Welcoming him once again.
And a student, I've not yet graduated, being as a guild president. Workers issues.
There you go.
Next year. In the particular next year. Malakom Gwakutano, then I wait for my graduation. Ganaye mazogenda ku internship.
Uma elimu kuongera ku Uganda Lorenzo nga making say avudde na agamba ye president wa mwanga bayimbi. Mwabbo buluna ye president.
Of course, if he's a vice president, a president. He's the president. To be a government, there's a lot of bureaucracy to be a government. But currently, twafunye project grow bagena kuzimba some installation there. Zimbenga cha floors nga musanvu aberenga ziketering for the institutions ziri mu creative sector. So ne renovation ya National Theatre chetusingo okwetanga. We don't want it to be removed. Is for heritage. Inakuberanga bajiro kusa. Then netwongerayo ne buildings endala parking eyo na yera bikabubi. So we're looking forward okuberanga is modernized. Nesobolo okuberanga ereta ne sente zingira mu creative sector. Then the most important thing is advocating for the amendment of the 1959 Act UNCC. Esaweno eyogere bintu bikaddenye, it is too old, too stale. Chitegeza ensonga lwaki olaba industry teyina leadership, teyina structures, just because a tool, the tool we can use as an act of UNCC. Kaddenyo.
Akulira federation kulu edisa musuza avaye babaga kaona tutegeza nga wayagala obire kulira abisulewo olwabayimbi amanya temumuyisaamu amaaso temumuwana kitiibwa nga
Wabera omukulembeze era nayogerako naye byo byosanga mu bukulembeze olina okubanga osanga mu the hiccups ebintu oluguudo terulina kubeera nga luli straight. Good leaders and great leaders don't retard. Bw'oba otandise petubaddewo through thick and thin tewali ateekamu nga tutambudde n'ebitabo tuli for free nga tewali atusasula. But we did. So I advise my brother nga bagikwate akwate bulungi. Ate ezo challenges zikuwa okwekyenyiga omuntu wayogera sit down and think. Then you come back and revive yourself. So a good leader, tadda mabega, atambula butambuzi. So I advise my brother, engabajikwate nabanyi.
Olisha M. Abantu ne bagamba tebuddeyo kuyimirira na family mu kiseera ekyate nga yali muyimbi.
This goes to the musicians. Learn how to come together with your people. Bwebera association yezze. Jangu obere member. Kati mwatu guwatigamba ko konti woma ezika ba members who got affiliated. Boba member, you got affiliated to the UFS, automatically we send them people. But twanyolera wamu sikugamba nti tetwanyora. I was not around. I would have gone there. Naye twanyolera wamu era we posted, we did everything. Era ne tusindikayo abaana babeeranga weebali. Otherwise, I advise all the people, musicians, yonna gy'oli. If you want associationists to kilemu n'amaanyi yangu obeere member mujje mwekunganye mubeere ne bannammwe tulabe what to do.